Hey, what's up guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can get 400 plus views on one single video by the end of this week if you're just starting out on YouTube.
Prepare to die.
First, before you do anything else, make sure your channel looks good. Organizing and make your channel look good is super important because it's the first thing people will see when they click on your channel. Next thing you want to do is focus on making a banner. The banner is the background of your YouTube channel, and you can put your Instagram link there and everything like that. If you don't know how to make a banner, all you have to do is search in Google YouTube banner template free. Next thing you want to do is make a channel description. The channel description is something that the viewers will see and know what to expect from your channel. The next thing you're going to want to focus on is installing VidIQ and TubeBuddy. These both are really good tools for making YouTube titles and everything like that. This provides a great way of showing your overall score of that search to see if it will get picked to be in the top or not. And this search has a 50 out of 100, so let's see if we can get better. How to pro. And yeah, this is a low score, but you just figure out the title search that is the best, and it provides the volume, which is the amount of videos on it in the competition. Now when making the video, always focus on the quality of your videos before worrying about views and subscribers. Trust me, this will be worth it in the long run. I personally use ShotCut to edit my videos. It's a free, open source editing software that is good for beginners, and a lot of popular YouTubers still use it. ShotCut is available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. A link to the download will be in the description. Add tags to your YouTube videos because this will help you show the video's relevance when a person searches for that specific topic. After you post the video, go onto forums like Reddit and post an interesting title with a link in the description. Don't use the same Reddit name as your YouTube name because viewers will find it fishy. When people click on the Reddit post, they will be redirected to your YouTube video, giving you views. Make sure to reply to every comment after the video is uploaded, making a good fan base for your viewers, making them feel welcomed and invited.